Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to do a gel polish design with a graffiti effect. For this design, I've already applied an acrylic extension in an almond shape. I've then used the Urban Graffiti gel polish in white on. A couple of coats of that, and then we've top coated that. I've wiped the sticky layer off. And now we're going to do the design. For that, we're going to use the Urban Graffiti gel polish in, the colours are, oh no she didn't, Steel a Feel, Lavish Lavender, Beach Babe. We're going to use a little bit of black paint as well, and then we'll top it all with top coat. Checking that there's no oils or anything on that nail, because we want it nice and clean to do this design. You'll need a detailing brush. You can use a striping brush as well for this if you like. Anything that's got some kind of length to it. Go into your colour, start at the cuticle, draw down, and then you're going to come up. Nope, these do not have to be perfect. This is what's awesome about this design, is that it does not have to be perfect. Clean your brush off. You can clean your brush with the gel residue wipe off solution. Then we're going to use a bit of Steel a Feel. Same again. Quite random, more random the better. Clean your brush off again. Lavish Lavender. Beach Babe. When you first start to put your little lines in, you want them to not touch each other. But now is the point that you want them to touch. Just getting a slightly thinner detailing brush. And now I'm going to go up and down. And let them bleed into each other. Don't work it too much. If you see that needs a little bit of work there. So if you work the colours too much, then what you'll end up with is one big splodge of colour. And that's not what you want. You won't be able to see the individual colours. Added a little bit more of that pink through there. So once you're happy with how everything's bled, you've worked it enough, then you're going to go into the lamp. If you've got an LED lamp, you're going to cure it for 1 minute, UV for 2 minutes. Now that's cured. I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer. That's going to allow me to paint on that now. If I tried to paint on it while there was a sticky layer there, it wouldn't have painted on properly at all. A little bit of water with your paint, because I want it to flow nicely. You're going to take your black, right at the top, drag down really thin and join it up, do it again. Really, really random. I'm going to leave some little gaps. all the way across the top. And then you're going to do the same from the bottom. Just adding that black makes all the other colours pop out. Obviously the paint needs to dry before you can go on with your top coat. I've put it on that thin and fine that it'll dry almost instantly. And now we're going to use the top coat. This is both base and top. We're going to seal all of this in. Make sure you go right up to your paint. If you miss anything, when you come to remove the sticky layer from your gel polish, you will just remove the paint. And you don't want to do that. So you're going to go right up to your paint, you're going to overlap, sweep the brush round the end so you're capping the nail. And we're going to pop that into the lamp now, get that cured. So now that's completely cured, we're going to wipe over with the gel residue wipe off solution. Take off that sticky layer. Add a little bit of cuticle oil just to replenish that skin. Give it a rub, massage that in all the way around. And that's that design completely finished.